Okay, are you inheriting a home in New Jersey? In this video, I'm going to cover the common pitfalls that I am trying to help you avoid, right? So, my name is Khalid with Probate Property Playbook, and I help families with all of the non-legal tasks of navigating probate, navigating inheriting a home, and I also help families get the most for their inherited home in New Jersey, specifically Essex and Hudson County. Now, in this video, we'll just be covering like just the common mistakes that I've seen from uh, people who have inherited a home. Now, the first step, in my opinion, or one of the things that I would urge people to avoid, the first pitfall to avoid is understanding the inheritance process, understanding the process of navigating a probate, and understanding, especially if you are in charge of the probate as the executor, what your responsibilities are and what your fiduciary responsibility is in regards to navigating the estate, right? So, first step is doing your homework and making sure that you understand that you have legal implications in regards to your role, especially if you're an executor, right? So you just want to understand the process, and you can understand the process. There's a good book called The Executor's Handbook that I give sometimes to people that I meet up for the first time who recently inherited a home and they are in charge of the estate. So read the Executor's Handbook, go down to your local courthouse in Essex County. Is the Essex County Surrogate Court on MLK Boulevard, downtown Newark. You just go down there, talk to the clerk, read their website, read your respective county websites. A lot of times they have a lot of good posts on there, frequently asked questions, because frankly, you aren't the first person to go through this, and there are steps and there's a lot of there's some knowledge out there that will be best for you to intake to help you navigate the process, right? And then just understanding the home's condition that you've inherited. You'll have an inspection, see potential repairs, watch out for hidden costs. So that's including like any type of uh, liens that's on a property. You will kind of get like you would get a title search done on the property, just so you just doing your due diligence. That would be the first pitfall, right? To avoid not doing your due diligence, right? Now, the next pitfall is if you're selling the house or just keeping the house, getting the home ready for ownership and getting the home ready or getting the home ready for sale. Now, this is a pitfall to avoid because I see a lot of people, understandably, when they've inherited a home, a lot of times a loved one passed, somebody who was close to them, or maybe it was a distant relative that they haven't talked to a lot, but they still loved and they still lost somebody. So there's a lot of things that's going on in your life along with you handling your everyday life responsibilities and duties, right? But a lot of people let the home become dilapidated over time. And then when they're ready to make a decision or they're ready to do something, there's a lot of things that have piled up, literally and figuratively, whether that be, just a bunch of things going on in the house that needed to be repairs. Initially, it was just a minor repair. Now it's a major repair. So even if you're not paying it out of pocket, if you're looking to sell the home down the line, you're getting less for the home. So number two pitfall to avoid is not getting the home ready, going through what we call probate quicksand, and not doing the things that need to be done in regards to navigating uh, your new home that you recently inherited. Now, another pitfall, and this is going to be the final pitfall that I'm going to cover in this video, is understanding but beyond inheriting the home. So usually a lot of times when families contact me, they're ready to sell the home, but I not only service people with navigating all of the roles and responsibilities they may have in regards to inheriting a home, in regards to the probate process, but understanding that there are ramifications after the transaction, after you sell the home, after you kept the home, and you might have a new tax bill or you might have people that are renting the property, what that means for you in regards to tax breaks, potential taxes that you have to pay, and just even if you sold the home on the market and you have a big lump sum of money, what are the next steps? So I would avoid not looking down the line and understanding what a lump sum of money can mean for you, your family, and your legacy, right? So to kind of avoid that, I would urge you to connect with a financial planner, connect with somebody that can help you get a wealth advisor that can help you get a plan set in place for your new inheritance. And so you guys can frankly maximize what you have recently brought into your life financially. So if you guys like this video and feel like I helped you avoid some pitfalls, contact me. Contact me. Say, hey, Khalid, we're thinking about selling a house. What are the next steps? What do you do? Why do you do it? Who are you? Can we trust you? All those questions will be answered if you book a Zoom call down below. And we can meet either face to face. I meet people face to face, maybe at like a centralized location. I do Starbucks a lot for some reason. We meet up with people, talk with them, or meet at the home. Or if you don't want to leave the house, meet via Zoom, meet via FaceTime, whatever. And we talk. We talk. I understand your family situation. And then I do my best to assist you navigating this process of inheriting a home in New Jersey. Thank you guys.